In this video, I'm going to explain you how to use the RSI indicator in TradingView. So the first step is to launch your chart, and then you're gonna have to go to indicators. Now from here, simply type in RSI, and then from here we just have to choose indicator. So I'm going to choose this one here. Now, basically, we have here this chart, as you can see above the main chart. So above 17 suggests overbought. So this is a potential sell. Now below 30 suggests oversold, which that means potential buy. Now we just have to look for divergences, for reversals. So we just have to use the midline for this and for trend the directions. So this is a quick tutorial about how you can use this indicator. Of course, you're gonna have to implement this into your strategy, so it's not that simple, but this is a simplified video and version of how to use the RCI indicator. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.